here at the mill called La Joyerías. This is our main mill for this part of the farm. And this is where the Joyería selection lots come from that we sell through Mercanta. All the cherry from these farms come through here. They come through this coffee duct here in the top, or they come through trucks that deliver the cherry. They'll put the cherry into the tanks, and then the wet mill, which is here, will depulp that cherry and will ferment the coffee before we wash and dry. So all the cherry that comes from the farm goes here at the top first. There's different stages where the cherry's clean, so we take out floaters. Basically, all the beans that are floating are beans that are not been fully developed, or beans that are over ripened or under ripened. All that sort of stuff floats, also with twigs and leaves and stuff like that. Then it passes to this second level, which takes out a lot of rocks and sand. And then it goes down into the depulpers. So we have 3 depulpers. This module can do about 15 tons of cherry an hour. So the coffee will go through channels at the other side, and this big barrel will start moving, and it will basically just clip off the cherry off of the bean. What's left is the green coffee covered with the parchment, and then it has its mucilage, which is the honey-like substance around the seed. In order to take that mucilage off, we have to send the coffee to the tanks, and then we'll leave the coffee in the tanks for about 24 to 48 hours for that coffee mucilage to ferment with natural yeast and bacteria from the environment. Separate that mucilage from the bean, and then we can wash the coffee through this channel here. Once the coffee is washed and it's ready, it will go into the silos here in the bottom. We have to dry our coffees in silos because in Colombia, during harvest is the rainy season. The cherry goes into the first floor of the silo. So coffees are dried at about 45 to 50 degrees. They take anywhere between 24 and 36 hours to go through the 3 different floors. Once they get to the lower floor, they're ready to get out, and they come out through here. We open these ducting here, which is basically just a conveyor belt, and it's taken to that silo where we store our parchment for packaging. Coffee is not held here for a long time. Everything that's been produced gets shipped to our main warehouse where we're gonna go next.